Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your Google account and creating a new Blogger blog. Choose a clear title and subdomain. Once done, pick a lightweight theme so pages load fast and make sure mobile view looks correct. Configure layout, header, sidebar, and footer widgets now to avoid rework later. Also set author profile and reading permissions. This affects discoverability. You're moving fast. Those core choices let you write and publish without undoing major design decisions. You draft the post with a strong headline, a short intro, and clear headings, H2 for sections, because structure helps readers and SEO. Then insert images with good alt text and resize them for fast loading, add labels to categorize content, and choose a custom permalink if needed. Make sure the search description is concise so readers see a useful snippet. Once formatted, preview the draft, test internal links, and decide whether to publish now or schedule for peak traffic. You're ready to publish. Choose publish or set a schedule, then share links to social networks and enable search indexing so people find you. After publishing, monitor stats, views, referral sources, and engagement so you can iterate and update content where needed. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and disable recent widgets to isolate the issue. For custom domain problems, verify DNS records. That single troubleshooting tip, check cache and DNS, fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.